Hey everyone, Harry here to talk about the 1.6 billion with a B defamation lawsuit by Smartmatic, a company, a purveyor of voting technology, against Fox News and many individuals. That number, by the way, is a kind of a real number. You may remember what happened here. So, in the searching for any port in a storm, any kind of lie to hang allegations of election fraud on, Team Trump fastened on these completely wild-eyed, absolutely concocted claims that voting technology companies had been rigged. They were somehow maybe being controlled by Hugo Chavez in Venezuela and all kinds of really, really crazy stuff. And especially Trump lawyers Sidney Powell and Rudy Giuliani were selling this crap anywhere they could. And it was picked up by Fox News, which dutifully spouted the same claims against these two companies that had done nothing but supply good and reliable technology that worked well, but they were, something that the Trump team could try to lie about. And most importantly, Fox News, Tucker Carlson, and others spouted this junk. And there was very good evidence that they knew it was junk. This is a really, to the heart of Fox News as an entertainment, right-wing kind of money-making machine rather than a news organization. This is what works for them, truth be damned. So it's a strong defamation suit. Now, normally there's real protections in defamation. You can't bring a defamation suit, which is for, in essence, somebody lied about you and it hurt your reputation. If you are a public figure or it's a public issue, you have to show a high standard of culpability by the defendants. You basically have to show they knew it was false, they said it anyway. Well, this is one of the best examples of that ever. Because there's going to be actual evidence that Fox News knew, Rudy Giuliani, Sidney Powell, and the like. So what happened? Well, these kinds of huge cases, when they're brought, they're litigated to the teeth. And they usually go to what the lawyers call the motion to dismiss stage, when both sides fight about whether there's a valid claim here in order to before they get to the production of discovery, that is, depositions, documents, etc., which Fox News dearly does not want to happen. Rupert Murdoch and Tucker Carlson in the witness chairs having to testify under oath. And did you know it was false? Oh, yeah, we did. And what about this email? Look what it says, but it was good for ratings, right? Really damning stuff. So typically you go to a motion to dismiss stage. They fight it out there. If the plaintiff gets past it, the case will settle for a lot of money. Smartmatic, and there are a lot of lawsuits here. The two aggrieved plaintiffs are Smartmatic and another computer voting technology company, Dominion, and there are many different defendants, Fox and individuals, including Rudy Giuliani and Sidney Powell. So the big news is in the trial court, the court said mostly this can go forward, and they appealed that denial of a motion to dismiss, did Fox and others. And yesterday, the appellate court, the medium level court in New York, ruled 5-0 that the case could proceed. Not only that, they reinstated some individual claims that the trial court had dismissed against Rudy Giuliani and against Jeanine Pirro, a Fox News host who had said some of this false stuff, and that, with evidence she knew it was a lie, at least according to the plaintiffs. That's big stuff, because the money here, Dominion and Smartmatic, they basically had their whole, life as companies challenged. They are really going for it. It's not clear that there's any check that Fox can write them. that would satisfy them. And in any event, we're talking about two very big black eyes for Fox and individuals. Tucker Carlson, his total credibility as a newscaster may be deeply undermined. Giuliani and Sidney Powell, which all kind of goes into the actual crimes that Jack Smith is investigating involving January 6th. This in particular, a fraud against the United States. So this is a really mammoth lawsuit, given that normally you have a high showing in a public issue. It wouldn't, most cases do not go forward. This one not only is, but in a way that really is one more big dagger at the heart of not only Trump, but Fox News and Trump lawyers like Giuliani and Powell. So various lawsuits. Some are going to trial or scheduled to in October, some early next year in 2024. Maybe that will give some ground, but this ain't going away. And at the end of the day, it's quite possible, much more likely today than it was yesterday, that Fox News will be A, writing a big check, and B, deeply embarrassed and have its journalistic credibility undermined. And then individual peril for Rudy Giuliani, who's in a lot of it already, likely to be indicted, for example, in Fulton County, Jeanine Pirro, and along with Tucker Carlson and individuals at Fox News and in Team Trump, and the sort of unholy alliance between them. Okay, so that's big news. Now they go back to the trenches to exchange information, fight over that, and get ready for trial within a year anyway, and there are many trials coming. So lots to happen down the line, and when it does, we'll give you the skinny and my analysis of it. Until then, talk to you later. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and other Talking Feds content, please take a second to like and subscribe. Talk to you later.